Okay, it is Tuesday, November 25th. We got sun, mostly blue skies, a light wind. It's probably 47. Man, this is just awesome weather for Buffalo in the fall. We usually have snow on the ground by now, and they are calling for snow for us Thanksgiving weekend, but try to get our last couple cuts in before the snow comes. That over there are 1 inch thick. The top one's I think 2 inch, maybe by 9. That was a log that was over there. There's another log that was there, and we have brought it here. And this is probably, I don't know, maybe like a 14-inch log. Pretty big. We're gonna put it up there and get some cuts and have lunch. Okay, this is the butt end is 16-inch diameter. This is a little bit less. So let's make a couple cuts and see if we can get a cant out of it. Alright, so this is kind of rotten down at this end, but that's still some pretty good wood we can use for armoring. So we got these boards so far, and it looks like this guide here is not quite right. Where are we? This guide here doesn't look, when it's running it doesn't look quite right, so I have to take it off and see. Alright, so this is what we got out of that log. That's what we got out of the first log. We cleaned this up and I adjusted this one, but it doesn't seem, it's making a little bit of noise and some jittering when it's cutting. Now it is dry ash, big log, you know, they're pretty, you know, 9 inches, but something feels a little bit off. I don't know what it is yet. All right, we gotta close this up, have some lunch.